நீ ஜாயின் ப்ராடக்ட் படிச்சுட்டா பை ப்ராடக்ட் படிச்சுட்டு கோ ப்ராடக்ட் ரெஃபர் பண்ணல இல்லையா, படிச்சு பாரு. நெக்ஸ்ட், when byproduct does not have any realizable value, the cost of the byproduct transferred to costing P&L account. Byproduct cost is burned by the good unit. Byproduct cost is ignored. Byproduct cost is determined taking value of the similar goods. Read the question twice and tell. I'll kill you. Not having realizable value. That is not transfer to byproduct cost is borne by the good unit only. Okay, it's absorbed by the good unit itself. Next, SG Limited manufactures two products from a joint milling process. The two products are developed or MS, mine support, and CB, commercial building. The standard product run incur joint cost of 1 lakh and result of 60,000 units of MS and 90,000 units of CB. Okay, total joint cost 1 lakh. Two products they produced. One is 1,60,000 quantity, another one is 90,000 quantity, 60 and 90. Each MS sells and for rupees 200 per unit, and each CB sells for 450 per unit. Assuming no further processing work is done after the split off point, the amount of joint cost to CB on physical unit allocation basis would be how much? In what basis out of portion? Total joint cost is how much? 1 lakh. That joint cost incurred for two different products, CB and MS and CB. Physical unit means what are the ratio? 60,000, 90,000. Am I right? Up a 6:9 ratio out of portion. So 1 lakh, if I'm going to apportion 6:9 ratio, what are the joint cost for CB they are asking? Am I right or not? 60,000 for CB. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Whereas MS 40,000. Okay. Next one. K company manufacture two hair care lotions, Livy and Silly, out of the joint product. The joint cost incurred, that is common cost incurred of 6,30,000 for standard production that guaranteed 1,80,000 gallons of Livy and 1,20,000 gallons of Silly. Livy sells for 240 per gallon and Silly sells for 390 per gallon. If additional processing cost beyond the split off point are 140 for the first product, 90 for the second product, the amount of joint cost for each product run allocated to the Livy on physical unit basis. Physical unit only. Okay, how much the joint cost? Total joint cost 6,30,000. Okay. That 6,30,000 we have to apportion between what and what? Livy and Silly. What ratio? Physical unit only. What about the physical unit? 180 for Livy. Am I right? 180,000 or 18:12 ratio? 18:12 ratio. Which product they ask you to apportion? Livy for 18. 3,78,000 based on physical unit method. 3,78,000. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, total cost you have to apportion based on number of unit basis on this. Now, same problem, NRV base they ask you to apportion. It has some sense, am I right? With respect to NRV, listen carefully. Two product, Livy and Silly. Quantity produced L, how much? 180. 1,80,000. Yes, 1,20,000. Selling price Livy 240, Silly 390. Less cost. How much the cost for Livy? 140 have to subtract, and 90 you have to subtract. Only 90, not 190. Okay. Therefore, basis comes to 100 and 300.
Yes, sir.
300. So we have to apportion the ratio of 1:3. If I'm going to apportion 1:3, for Livy, how much we are getting?
2,10,000.
Total joint cost 6,30,000 divided by 3. How much?
4,20,000.
1:3. Am I right? 1,57,500. Okay. So we have to change the answer. Am I right? 1:3 only, no? Yes. Divided by 4. 1,57,500. That answer is missing. Am I right? 157,500. Okay. That's the correct answer. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Good. For the purpose of allocation of joint cost to joint product, the sales price at the point of sale reduced by the cost of complete after split off is assumed to be equal to dash. Joint cost, sales price less a normal profit margin at the point of sale, sales value at a split off point, total cost. Read the question carefully and tell the answer. For the purpose of allocation of joint cost to joint product, sales price at a split off point, okay, less cost to complete after split off is assumed to be equal to what? Sales value at a split off point. C is the answer. That's all, no?
Yes, sir.
Good. So joint product by product also manageable. Good.